It's a tale as old as time. A French car with dodgy electrics. Basically, it's the middle of the winter, it's freezing cold, and my blower motor decided to pack up. So of course, because I'm playing with electrics, the first step is to disconnect the battery, just to make sure I don't get a nasty shock. I did a bit of research on the internet and they suggested that there's a connector in the wiring harness underneath this panel, one T20 screw to undo it. Mine was missing, so I'm guessing it's been a fault here before. It's simply a case then of popping this connector off from the, I think it's the side of the heater matrix, pushing a little tab in and then it comes apart. So I'm led to believe that this is the connector to the blower motor, which carries the high amperage current to make the fan spin. I don't know if Peugeot spec the wire a bit too low, or maybe as the heater motor gets older it becomes more difficult to spin it, creating more of a draw. But you can see both sides here have melted quite badly. So the plan here is to go snippy, remove this connector and then rejoin the wires using an alternative method. So due to it being freezing cold and this being a bit of a rush job, because I needed to be able to demist my windscreen for safety reasons more than anything else, this was filmed quite hastily on my iPhone, so I wasn't able to actually capture any footage of stripping these wires back. Now, I'm no auto electrician, but I know using terminal blocks or Scotch blocks was a terrible idea for anything electrical, so I went with the Wago 221. So that's it wired up. There's me giving it the industry standard tug. Feels strong, doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. The next thing we'll do is reconnect the battery and then we'll jump in the car and see if we've had big success. And there we go, a nice simple fix. Everything seems to be working.